For limits, join the session, everyone. Waiting for everyone to join. So limits first I'm going to start. After that derivative I'm going to start. Good morning, Sujata. Sujata, beta, we are going to start limits. In that limits and content, what amount we have to study, that we are going to check. First part, just check this one out. Given what is the meaning of limits and how we are introducing limits. Understood? So if somebody will ask you what is the meaning of limits and how we are introducing limits. So in limits are exactly having some important part. First part limits is कि whenever we are discussing about limits is nothing but a type of what you call boundary. So when we are talking about any algebraic expressions or functions, how we are proceeding and in limits how we are proceeding. Like when I was solving this question, we are saying that 3x plus 5 equal to 12. Then what you are writing? You are shifting this one to this side and you are saying that 3x is equal to 12 minus 5. And then you are saying 3x is equal to 7, x is equal to 7 by 3. So when you are writing x is equal to 7 by 3, it means that its value is 7 by 3. You need to remember this one. Voice is audible, everything is okay, children. Won't write your name, say good morning as fast as possible. Okay? Network is okay now? No problem now, Sujata? Everyone? So look here, beta. So whenever you are writing like this, here what is the meaning? X is equal to 7 by 3. When you write this one, its meaning is exactly value of x is 7 by 3. That means 7 by 3 is the solution. What is 7 by 3? 7 by 3 is the solution. And whenever you will write 7 by 3 instead of x, LHS will be equal to RHS. That's the most important thing. Here LHS, alone that extra sound is coming. Wait here, I'll switch on fan. That extra sound will be taken by the fan. Fan will take the extra sound. Good morning, Siddharth. Fan will take the extra sound better. Vanakkam, Siddharth. Voice is not clear. Laptop is in repair mode, beta. Today I'm going to give it to again repair. Now extra sound will be taken because the room is very empty now. See, understand this one nicely. This uncle should take that sound. Now from all sorts, na sound mistake. Now look at it. Shall we focus or is it still problem? See, when you write an equation, LHS is equal to RHS. You are getting the value of x. This is called as solution. What it is called as solution. 3x minus 7 equal to 0. This will become factor. And this is solution. So this is most important. But it is not same. Remember this for limits. Understood? So if somebody is asking about limits, then how we are going to answer about limits? Just check this one out. When I am writing x tends to 2 in limits, how to write? This is LIM, x tends to 2. Understood? And this is LP, x tends to 2. This is Laplace transformation. You can't write like this. Many students, by mistake, they are writing LD. Don't write. It is having another value, another application. What you have to write? LIM. This is limit. This is called as limit beta, and this only you have to write. What is LIM? X tends to 2. This is not exactly understood. So first to understand what is the meaning of limit. This is not exactly 2. This means either x can be 1.9999 understood or 2.0111 means if you will go to check limit, the value of x can be less than 2 or greater than 2. But it will not be exactly 2. So it is called as limits. I hope you might have understood. So limits will go for either nearby, less than 10 or more than 10. When you shift left of limit, that time it will become limit x tends to 2 to the power minus. And this is called as LHL. Understood? What is the meaning of LHL? Left hand limit. Got it? When you go RHS, that time you are writing limit h tends to 2 plus. Plus means little bit value greater than 2. Understood? But you can't write 2.5. No. If limit is 2, if limit is 2, then you can't write 2.5. This is totally wrong. You can write maximum 0.111. You can't in fact write 2.1 also. That is also not possible. Understood? So that means when you will be going for limit, the limit value can either be 0.2.0011, 2.00001, 2.001000011, 2.001011111. That means it is approximately 2 only. Approx, not equal to 2. And that is exactly called as limit. So when it will go LHS, it is called as left hand limit. When it is coming RHS, it is called as right hand limit. Did you got my point, beta? what is the difference between left hand limit and right hand limit? Left hand limit means the value will be slightly lesser than 2. Right hand limit means the value will be slightly greater than, slightly, approximately, but not exactly. Understood? Till here it is okay. Come on, children, say. First, to morning punch they need in group. Monday, Wednesday, Friday class is there. If class is cancelled, means I will inform. Yesterday till night, very late I was taking class. Exams are there for 12th and 10th. Full time I am with the students. Not getting time to inform people. Where is Payaja? Where is Rudra? Nishika is having exam. Booklims are having exam. KV students, where are they? Where is Kishore? Siddharth is there. How am I going to start? Yeah, beta, can you type your name? See, this is the most important part I have explained about limit. Okay, first limit is how much important. For continuity and differentiability for grade 12, you need to understand limit. Grade 12 beginning section I will do here itself. So that when you will go in grade 12, you will take it like this and through. It will be nothing for you when you will go to 12. Understood? So now when and all we can apply limits? That's another second question. Okay. Which part I am going to apply limit? Why limit is important? What is the need of putting limit, auntie? When everything is here, equation is there, expression is there, then what is the need of limit? See, limits actually we are using where? We are using limits in curves. Understood? Curve, different type of curves are there, Navita. Then curve should have a limit because any line can be drawn endless. First understand the concept, then you will be able to do proper justification with this. Any line can be drawn endless. Okay, we cannot bound it. Correct now? Like a ray of light, we can take it endless. Got it? But in mathematics, we need to put a boundary. That is called as setting a boundary. Got it? So when you set a boundary, the boundary can have a lower value and have a upper value. So whenever we set a boundary, it will become what? Lower value and upper value. So just I'm taking x-axis, I just draw this line. Got it. So now this is possible now. Any line cannot be like we cannot think only about ideal line. Ideal line means a line we can go always taking on a straight line somewhere. We can talk about a curve. We can talk about this line. So but we cannot have an assess of it. So what we will do? We can take is it continuous or not? Is the line continuous? Is it breaking anywhere? How can we know? Because in mathematics, different type of functions are there, and every function can be represented as a curve, as a line. Understood now? So here, when such type things are given, then what we do is we need to understand the nature of it. So for that, we will convert it into a shortest format. The shortest format means we need to only study about this much. Got it? So now if we are studying about only this much means this everything is not this. So when we got only this much, that means here this part will become initial and this part will become final. So this section will be called as lower limit and this section will become upper limit. That means the curve will be or the line will be exactly studied in this interval. Got it? Now in this interval, is it continuous or not? See, entire part, how it was, we are not interested. Then where we are interested? We are interested in the lower value and interested in the upper value. So when this part is taken, it is called as lower limit. And when this part is taken, It is called as upper limit. Understood? So between lower limit and upper limit, how this line is responding, the entire section of mathematics is exactly in this one. Got it? Continuity, differentiability, integration. If I will integrate it, I will get the entire part. If from entire part I will differentiate, I will get this section. See, understand mathematics today, fully understand from this part itself. Entire mathematics of functions and all this is in this part only. So that means the entire curve, entire section can be spoken about when we can talk about this one. So that means this function, this section, if we will integrate 2, 3 times, integrate one time, we will get full section. If we will differentiate it, we will talk about a little section. Differentiation means break it into a smaller piece. Understood? And find the value. Integration means a small part, when you integrate, it will get the entire section. So only it is called as integration. Differentiation means कि when a function is given, you are differentiating it, means you are making it more precise, smaller, understood, with respect to any variable. So why limit is introduced? Limits will be explaining about the continuity of any graph. Continuity means right now I am standing here, understand this. I'm standing here, but am I having any previous goal? This is here. And if I will go one step here, that means what? I am in a continuous path. How I am in a continuous path? I am standing here, this is my origin. I can go left of my path, I can go right of my path. So if I can move left and right, both sides, that means I am continuous. Correct now? But if I'm standing here, I can't go left, I can't go right, means my path is broken. Understood? So only limit is introduced because all the curves are not continuous. Simple example. You see, this is also a type of function, but is it continuous? It's not continuous. Then here continuity is failing continuously in some interval. This is the most important thing to be noted. So all the curves are not symmetrical. They are not symmetrical. They are not behaving continuous. So for them to identify them and to find their boundaries, we need limit. Is it clear? Sivya, is it clear you understood what is the meaning of limit? How we are appreciating limit in a continuous curve? How we are exactly checking the left side of the limit and the right side of the limit? Quickly say, if you have not understood this, I'll explain it again because introduction of limit is very important to learn. Got it? Sujata understood, Siddharth understood. Come on, quickly say it because two people name only I am seeing here. See, look here. This is exactly the introduction of limit. Yes, what about Siddharth? So anybody asking you limit, your response should be like this. Okay, limit is for introduction for continuity. I'm applying limit to know the limitations of a curve. That's it. In a very simple language, we can proceed like that. Now, next important point to be noted. I am again explaining it. Whenever you write limit x tends to or limit x tends to a for any curve tending to a. Tending to a means it's not exactly a. Got it? So it is tending to a. That means it should be checked for with section and with section. It should be checked for here. This is called as limit x tends to a minus. This is left hand limit. This is called as LHL, left hand limit. And when you go right side, it will become RHL. That is called as right hand limit. And this is exactly left hand limit, right hand limit. And this part is called as limit x tends to a plus. This is done. Understood? So left hand limit and right hand limit. Left hand is a minus, right hand is a plus. Slightly bigger than A, slightly lesser than A. That is called as limiting. Understood till here? Now we are going to do one small work. How we are going to apply limit. So one question is given, one function is given to you. F of x is equal to modulus of x minus 3 by x minus. Okay, modulus of x minus 3. Audio is very blurry. Wait, I'll do this one. In Google Meet it is developed. Today I am taking laptop here. SP people are not even listening, not taking me seriously. It's more problem if I'm shouting means it is clear, or if I'm speaking loud it is clear, or if I'm speaking slow it is not. Or you can say now it is audible or not. Echo is coming. Slow means it is okay. So should I shout or not shout? Simply answer. Is it okay? Now can I speak? Sujata, is it okay? Children, those are present online, can you say it is okay or not? So that I can continue because I told you all to come offline. I don't know. Fine. You come offline. I told everybody till this problem is not rectified, we can come offline. Morning classroom is fully empty. One or two students used to come that time. Sound is serious. Here, evening full crowd is there. That time sound is what you call. Hey, good morning, sir. Vanakkam. Come on, shall we continue? So if somebody will give you this question, modulus of x minus 3 by x minus 3, then are we going to solve the limit with it? Yes. But how? Remember this one. Whenever we deal modulus, so first to introduction of modulus, now itself I am exactly going to do so that you can understand how we are going to handle modulus. This is modulus. Got it? So when we are writing modulus, modulus will have two limits. Means the value will be divided. How it is, just check one time. If someone is writing modulus of x, modulus of x means the value of x can be what? In a line, x will have two values. This side all positive value of x and this side all negative value of x. This is positive value of x in number line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this side negative value of x, what we are writing. So these are negative value of x and these are positive value of x. Understood? So here negative and positive value of x in modulus, if you will put, what will happen? Minus 3. Just remember, modulus is negative digested. So if you are taking minus 3, answer will come 3. If you are taking minus 8, answer will come as 8. If you will take 0, answer will come as 0. If you write positive number, answer will come positive. If you are writing 11, answer will come 11. That means कि whatever value, positive and negative value you are putting inside, you will always get a positive value. Understood? So we can say that modulus takes all the negative values to convert it into positive. Modulus, when taking positive value, will always remain positive. Understood? Next point, if it will have fraction, same, no problem. Understood? Fraction means fraction, but negative numbers and positive numbers will all come out as positive. Is this clear? This is modulus work. So that means what we learned, the entire x value taken inside modulus. That means x can be either negative or positive. So that means modulus can take negative value of x and can take positive value of x. Understood? This is the real meaning. And rest other than that, whatever anybody will teach, you just don't listen. From here you listen and from here you follow. Learn this one. You say that x is exactly the value which decides the value of y. So in any function, x will be the main variable which will put into the machine of function and it will give you the value of y. Understood? So this x can be positive and this x can be negative. That's it. When we are putting positive, answer is coming positive. When we are putting negative, answer is coming positive. Done? Then how we can apply it for limits? So one question is there. We need to check left hand limit and right hand limit. Just as a checkpoint I am giving you. We will solve this question also in coming time to check continuity. So now one question is there. Limit x tends to 3 modulus of x minus 3 by x minus 3. How to solve this question? First one. This one, when you are checking, limit is checked at 3. Okay, first this part we are going to take separately. So modulus of x minus 3, we are going to check one time this modulus will be negative. Understood? Next time this modulus will be positive. Why this is so? One time negative, one time positive, because first you take this one equal to 0. This is a new topic, So simple point to understand. No need to be in hurry. We are not having marathon. Okay. So here x minus 3 equal to 0. Done. So when you are writing x minus 3 equal to 0, that means x will have value 3. And x will have value 3. Now, one time x will be less than 3. So when x is less than 3, x is less than 3, modulus will be negative. I told you now, the value of x taken will be negative. So outside boundary of modulus, we have to put negative. And when x is greater, it will become positive. Did you got my point, beta? Did you got my point? So this section for less than, modulus will open with negative sign. Greater than, modulus will open with positive sign. So now we will check LHL. LHL. LHL means left side. For left side, it will become limit x tends to 3 minus. 3 minus means if this is center, I am moving left side. But how much left? Slightly. Slight I am going. Understood? So here this is called as LHL. Now this will be applicable. We are not going to write this one. This one we will write minus x minus 3 by x minus 3. Cancel this. Answer is coming as minus 1. Understood? Now we can go for right side. R, H, L. When you are going right side, it will become limit x tends to 3 plus. So 3 plus means now I am standing in center. From center I am going right side. But not that much right. Little slightly more. Understood? So this part will come limit x tends to 3 plus. So when I am opening the bracket, it is coming as x minus 3 by x minus 3. Cancelling, answer is coming as 1. So that means what final conclusion we have got? Left side is minus 1, right side is plus 1. Is it continuous? No, it is not continuous. What is the work of limit? The work of limit is to check left side value and right side value is same or not. Understood? So why we have applied limits? We have applied limits to check left side value is coming equal to right side or not. Here left side value is minus 1, right side value is 1. Center value, how to check center value? Center value is exactly at x equal to 3. So 3 values will be there. Left, right, center. For checking continuity, continuity means if I am standing here, I am existing. I will shift it, I am existing. Again I shift right, I am existing. That means if I have to check I am continuous, means left side, right side, both points should be there, center also should be there. Understood? So in all the 3 points, value should be same. So center, if my value is 1, left side value should be 1, right side value should be 1. So left, right, center, in all the 3 points my value should be 1. If it is coming 1, it is continuous. If it is not coming 1, it is not continuous. That's it. You understood or not? Now come on, say this. What is the meaning of left side? What is the meaning of right side? How we can check continuity? Did you got my point, beta? Just give me one answer. If I am standing at the center, my value is minus 3. Then right side, what should be my value? And left side, what should be my value to make myself continuous? Center and minus 3. Then left side and right side, what should be my value to make me continuous? If you answer this question means little bit you are understanding the concept. Otherwise concept you have not understood. This is the only thing. Come on, go for it. Absolutely correct, Siddharth. Left side and right side, the value should be -3. It should be like a discipline. Then only it is continuous. Otherwise, it is not continuous. That's the only thing everybody has to understand. So, what is the work of limit? We are putting limit to check continuity. We are putting limit to check differentiability. So, there are two disciplines of function. One is continuity, one is differentiability. Understood? Not? So whenever you will be differentiating it, or you will be finding the continuity of a curve or a line, there we are putting limit. Got it? So now we have to learn how to prove continuity and how to check limit. There is a way of finding limit beta. Now, one question always students are asking me that, Auntie, this problem now, limit extends to a minus is there, and this is the function. See, if a minus is there, I can't put a minus here. See, this is left, minus is left. This is not left, this is center. This means right side. Understood? How I came to know? By checking minus, nothing, plus. Understood? So that means I hope you might have understood this one. This is minus left side. So whenever in top, if you see minus, understand that you are shifting little bit left. You are shifting little bit left. When you see plus, you are shifting little bit right. But beta, when you will not see anything here on the top means it is exact value. Now, what is the correct mathematics and how we people are killing mathematics? Understand this. The rule of mathematics says that when you are having this one, you are killing. How? X tends to A. Directly you implement A, answer is this. That's it. Here, head, no left side, right side. So we just implemented A here. That's it. But when it is going to be minus and plus, can we ignore this minus and plus? No. The real part of mathematics says that okay, if minus is there or plus is there, we can't ignore because it is not at center. Right now, you are slightly left or slightly right. Then what should be the procedure? The procedure is, listen first the procedure. This procedure adopt in any level of examination. I'm telling you, this procedure adopt in any level of examination, bang on bingo, you will get full mark. Understood? And this is the original way of writing. With this only, I have got ranks. So now listen, first limit understanding. I'm writing limit x tends to a minus f of x. Okay, this section is what? Left hand limit at x equal to a. Because beta, what is the basic thing? A is the basic thing. So left hand limit at base is a. So x is equal to a. Done. Now how to remove it? Instead of this, now we are going to write limit x tends to a minus, our function is 5x plus 3. After this, what we are going to write? Let x will be equal to a minus h, since x tends to a minus, therefore h tends to 0 for all h is greater or equals 0. After writing this, we are removing the entire part. See, I'll explain this one. What I have written, I will explain it fully. Just have patience. Just check this one out. Just as a student, first I'm writing. After that, I'll explain. So now directly I'll write limit h tends to 0. 5 of a minus h plus 3. Now h is tending to 0, no head left and right, no plus minus. So directly we will substitute, and this is coming as 5 of a minus 0 plus 3. It is coming as 5f. So now millions of questions will come in your mind. First question itself will come, what is the need of putting h? Why h? Why we put h? H is a number which is exactly 0. No. H is a number which is slightly greater than or lesser than 0. And H is exactly added here to let it go left. Because you are standing in school gate. Nobody saw you. You are going to say to your mother that I was standing in school gate. When your mother is telling no attendance taken in your school, how can I believe that you went to school? Then you need a witness. Correct now? The witness here is H. Remember, this witness that you are left, this witness is H. Then how this witness is? This witness will take you little bit of length. See here, very clearly I wrote, I can't solve this one. So I am taking x is equal to a minus h. Exact a is 3. I am taking myself a minus h. That is 2.99. Then what is this h? H is tending to 0. H is tending to 0 means h can be 0.0001. That means h can be very smaller and h can be near to 0. This. So h can be either equal to 0 or h can be slightly greater than, slightly greater than 0. If we are writing like this, that means criminal. It is very greater. Understand now? So here it is either equal to 0 or it can be slightly greater than 0, but it will tend to 0. But when this h will come, a will not be at the center, a will go left of center. I rest my case. This is the most important thing. You must remember this. So when minus is there, we need to remove this one. This is poison because this is not pointing towards center. And right now it's not at center. If I have written this one means I am left of it. But there should be one proof that I am left of it. Who can give me my proof? So this H will give me my proof. What is H? H is a number which is very near to 0 but not exactly equal to 0. If I put here minus, then it will become A minus H. Because our limit was this, so we are saying, hey, we have taken x is equal to A minus H. When we done? When it is tending to A minus. Why H? Because H is tending to 0. And the moment it is implemented, it will give me that limit which is having no plus and minus. Till here everybody understood? Did you got this? Nobody will cheat you in mathematics. You will tell them that I know the real part of it, don't teach me unwanted things. Understood? So if somebody will be giving you this part, now I think you people will be able to do proper justification. So if somebody will give you limit x tends to a plus f of x. Then what next? Are we going to write it as it is? No. We are going to say this function value is limit x tends to a plus pi of x plus. But I can't write direct value. That's not good. अच्छा इस वीडियो को वन मोर टाइम पीछे से देख लेना लिमिट का. आई टोल्ड द बेसिक्स ऑफ लिमिट बेटा. नहीं होगा तो मेरे पास आ जाना, मैं फिर से समझाऊंगी. those children who have not understood because of voice or anything, you please come to me. I will sit with you and I will teach you, because this is not a small topic. It is connected to your future beta. If you are knowing limits means many areas of mathematics will become very easy for you. Understood? Now I can't write like this. Not at all possible. I cannot directly write. If any teacher is telling you, hey, this math, you write this. Answer will come this. But this is not the way. This is cheating. And many people, those who are mathematicians, they gave you this question and you did like this. They'll only smile and cut your marks. Got it? So now beta, how we are going to do? First one. Again, we are going to write a small story. Let x will be equal to what beta? A plus h implementation. Why h implementation? Because this case was there. This case means, what is h for you? H is tending to 0 and h is greater equals 0. So x is equal to a plus h. Since x tends to 0, x tends to a plus h tends to 0 for all h is greater equals 0. That means our main content is h. Okay, h is not exactly equal to 0. H is something little bit slightly. But when we had h here implementation, in previous left hand limit when you went, h made it go left. H was what? What was your h? H was taking to 0. That means its value can be like this. But when h got added to a minus h, understood? With number, if you take it is easy. That means 3 minus 0.0001. So it will become 2 point some values will come. From here, if you go rate 3 plus h. So 3 plus 0.001. So 3.000. So exactly 3. When h added, took you towards left. When h subtracted, took you towards right. So only h is a clear-cut indication that fine, I am in the field of continuity, differentiability, wherever you want to push me. But h is that value which is exactly not 0, it is slightly greater than 0. But when this part is implemented in any function, I can go left, I can go right. This is the part. So now again what it will become? It will become limit h tends to 0. This. Now here after putting 0, h tends to no plus minus is there. Now that means plus 3. So now we can write here this. Now once we are substituting the value of h, after that no need to, trust me, no need to put limits. Limit story over. Got it? So this part plus 3. And now it is coming out f of a plus 3. This is the entire story of limits. I hope you might have understood this one better. Go left, go right, or stay at center. Everything is having a different countability in function. Is it clear, children? Tell me yes or no. That okay, I understood what you spoke, or it is not at all understandable. Don't stay in middle. Maybe this thing. Yes, understood. No, did not understood. Like that. Just that. This is the most important part of mathematics. If you understood means story over. If you don't understood means story over. Both cases story will be over. I hope you might have understood this one. Okay, because nobody is responding. How can I know? So now look at another important section. Hereafter, whenever you will see any function, you need to see the function and then analyze. How can I see the function, auntie? How can I analyze, auntie? Because how I am going to understand that this section is same. Now one question I am giving you. Check. F of x is equal to simple trick I will teach you. Nothing is given after this. Which one will be our limit? Check 0 to 1 greater than 1. Who is boss here? Can you tell me? What is the value here? See this one. Hmm? After checking that part, what is exactly this one indicating? I did a slight change there. Greater equals. Greater equals means 1 included here. Here 1 is not included. After this, what is exactly the main scenario? You need to understand this one first. Limit is type and send me. 0 and 1, these two numbers are there. Which one you feel is limit? Not given them two. Which one you feel is limit? Either 0 or 1. Which one you can take it as limit? Most probably in questions they will give you limit. But if in case, what will be the limit here? Type and send me. Whatever, just make this game open. What is the limit here? The limit here is 1. Why auntie? How the limit is 1 here? Your question should be this. First understand. 0 is there, 1 is there. Now here, when you are writing 0 to 1, you are going till 1 until here. Now you are going after this. So 2 points are there. 1, 0 to 1. So 0 to 1, f of x value is 1 plus x square. Done, now check. 0 to 1, its value is 1 plus x square. Greater than 1, f of x value is 2 minus x. Done, now. So now you check. You are standing at 1. That means what is 1? 1 is limit for you. Okay. So that means this is going to be limit for me. Center part is going to be limit for me, and that is 1 is coming as limit for me. Got it? So we are going to go left of it. Left of it means limit x tends to 1 minus f of x. So 1 minus f of x means left side. Left side, what is the formula? This. So we will write limit x tends to 1 minus 1 plus x square. Done. Now go right of it. When you are going right of it, there will become limit x tends to 1 plus. 1 plus means greater than. Here plus means not big values. Plus means greater. And once you are going greater than plus part, what it will become? F of x. So it is coming as limit x tends to 1 plus I rest my case. Did you understood this one? Left side and right side. No, you are not going to write x tends to minus 1. Here 1 to the power. Beta, if here it is written like this ना, पाइजा इसको देखो अच्छे से. If this is there, These two situations are there. That means here this is coming as center. For this value, this limit, or here f of x is equal to x square. So this part it will become only x, greater than section, it will become x square. Understood? So this is considered as left part and right part. Left part function may be different, right part function may be different. So LHL will be, then here now you can write limit x tends to minus 1 to the power minus. Understood? Because why? Because minus 1 is your limit. And then e to the power. Minus cannot be written here. Here we can't write minus. In limits, we can't write like this. This is number. Understood? This is position. This is position. This is position, position, position. Which position? Left side. Which position? Left side. This is which position? Right side. So when you are putting number to the power, x tends to 2 to the power plus. This what is the position? Right side. If I am writing this, Payaja and Ajit, this is very important, Payaja. This is very, very important and I explain because from whom you are going to ask you tell me. There must be someone to explain all these things. Na? And very good and bless you better that you ask this question. Many people are having fear of asking. You understand? Many people don't ask these questions because they have fear. Like if I will ask means, if you will ask means you will get clarity. You must ask. It's your right to ask if you are studying from me. So now look at it. F of x is equal to x square. This part will come for left side beta and this part is coming for right side. I hope the class was informative. Did you understood nicely? Children tell me. Did you understood nicely? This is just the introduction section of limit and this is a very important class. We must understand these sections better. Okay? So that when return was, because probably parabola test still some people have not written and those people have written their score I am waiting for. I am ready to punch you. And Sujata Maharani, where is your test paper? Your and Panjat paper I have accepted and Gagan and Praveen, Kamlesh, rest of the people have not written test. Test means I will come in your home and take your test mark. If you are not coming and writing test, two options available. One, I am coming in your house or you are coming here. Or you are writing online. Three options. I am coming in your house means full 1 hour I will put poison inside your parents' ear. So you decide. Okay, beta. Bye everyone. Have a nice day. Enjoy your day. Voice was very problem, Sujata. Bye bye.